Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I haven't made a video for a while, and I've been so busy and picking up the car from the pot. So right now I have 4 cars at home, the 4 new cars, and I'll be doing the review pretty much every day, I guess. For today, I'm representing the 1996 Honda Legend, which is same as Acura RL 3.5 in United States here, but you know they call it Honda Legend as the in Japan. So this is one of the rare Honda Legend that I found from the auctions that I don't really see them like that kind of like this color, especially this color. You know, like nice Honda clean, and I don't really see it that often. You know, so. This car is available for sale. I just got the license plate. I'm waiting for the title. Should be here in a few weeks. But the yeah, this is pretty clean, one owner car. You know, like as usual, I always buy the nice and clean car for for myself and for my customers. So yeah, here it is. This is kind of like I would say one of the kind Honda Legend here. I mean, you probably see the Honda Legend like the old ones from like 91 to 95, I believe. Yes, I mean, and those are like 3.2 liter V6, but this one is 3.5 liter, the Honda engine. So this is pretty strong car. Somehow like this is leather seat inside, right? But you guys will see this leather seat that like untouched, like no ripped, nothing, no fading, nothing else. I mean, the car was like brand new condition. I just want to say, you know, it has the 130,000 kilometer, which is about like 80,000 miles. I mean, even 80,000 miles, you won't notice that this one has the 80,000 miles. You know, that's how clean this car it is. Like here, for example, like you see the headlights here, and those are not like glass. Those are like plastic one. But even the plastic one doesn't really see any like decoloring or anything. And the paint is the really nice condition. I mean, it's a little bit dirty, but you know, I mean, you can see it here. And the color, like it looks like chocolate cocoa brown, I guess. You know, like it's like very like dark chocolate color. It's not black, and it's not light brown too. So right now it's outside the sunshine. I think you can probably see that how clean this car and how nice the color, like how shiny of this car. And not only that, I believe the previous owner they put the new tires before he even sell it. So the tires all full news. And oh, not only that, I wish I could show you underneath, but let me see if I can go underneath and see it. So they have like the coating. I don't know what you call it. The see that like anti-rust coating here. Yes. So the whole underneath body has a rust-proof coating already on it. So the car has zero rust, not even the surface rust. Like that's how clean it is. All right. Let me show you inside too. So as usual, just like any other Japanese car, it has a yellow fog light. You can see the yellow in there, and like regular halogen lights. And here, this one, it is not chrome, but not the brown color too. It looks like a like matte finish, like bronze matte finish, I guess. So here. Oh, let me show you that. So let me show you this one too. So look at this. I guess like that's what the Asian cars are like that. You know, they don't really remove all the plastic wrapper here at the bottom here too, and here on the sun visor too. They didn't even remove it. Not only this side, on that side you can see that the door handles this still has a plastic on it. So anyway, that's how clean and nice the leather it has. It's so soft and also very supported leathers. And here, look, I only clean a little bit, but you don't see any like food crumbs or anything on the carpets. It's like original carpets. It's legend carpets. And here, let me show you the inside. All right, the shift lever, and this is heated seat. Okay, so both sides are heated seat, and this one, if you press it, it comes up and come down. Oop. And here one, another one. There's a CD changer. So it's actually 6-disc changer, but somehow the previous owner has another 6-disc, so it will be 12 discs. And here's a cup holder, and this is the secret lighters and the other stuff. And on this side, it has a cruise control, like regular cruise control. And I believe the Acura 3.5 RL in United States, it has the what do you call it, memory seat, but this one doesn't have memory seat. I was surprised. And so this is a key. It doesn't say Honda, it's a Legend. So alright, let me start the car. And this is the power steering, move up and down power too. So there you go. That's what the Japanese tow things, they call it ETC, the big sounds. And here, let me show you this thing. So this is the clock, and I was wondering what is this thing, and it was well, let me see. All right, so this is a clock adjusting things. And here, let me this side, there's a trunk button here, and it's, I believe, six speakers sounds. And let me show you in the back too. The back is here like this, and the rear climate control, well, a rear fan, I would say. And here, this cup holder here, and another compartment here, and this goes up. And here you can see that how clean and nice leather inside. And look at that. That was so clean. It's just like brand new car. All right, let me go to another one. Oh, let me open the trunk for you and show you that. Okay. So here's the trunk. It's called Honda Legend. Yeah, because I don't know. Amori is, I'm not really sure what does that mean. But here's the trunk. Pretty clean inside. There's nothing else. And here, some like a space and a spare tires there. Let me show you. Okay, it looks like full-size spare. But yeah, this is it. Let me show you the other side. And there's dual exhaust outside. Well, not dual, the double exhaust pipe, I would say. And on this side, you can see there's no scratch at all. Like everything else is so clean. And here too, on this side, there's both sides of power seat. All right, let me show you the engines. And I think I upload the like a short driving videos of this Honda. I'm sure you can find it on my channel. Please subscribe, then you can see more update of the cars. I'm sure I'm gonna upload more videos later on today, and probably tomorrow too. I have like 3 more cars. So all right, there you go. See that 3.5 liter V6 Honda engine. That was super clean and nice. Everything looks like a new one. All right, the best thing is I'm not gonna sell like too expensive for this car. I'm gonna sell for like maybe 8500, 8600 maybe, you know. So let me know what you guys think, and yeah, and if you have any questions or any things, leave the comments. I always reply to my viewer, you know. Yeah, and I do the JDM import for, you know, for a while now, like almost a year. So I'm gonna keep importing more cars, and whatever that you guys want to see, you know, let me know. I can try to upload, you know. I can try to import here too. So yeah, what do you think of this car? Pretty nice car. All right, I will see you guys again in a few videos. Have fun, guys. Thanks for the watching.